Thinking about how to lighten your load before moving day. A garage sale is one of the best ways to declutter, earn a little extra cash, and make packing a whole lot easier. Start by sorting through your belongings. Go room by room and set aside items you no longer need or use. Think clothes, furniture, kitchen gadgets, books, or even old decor. If you haven't used it in over a year, it's probably time to let it go. Next, plan your sale early. Choose a weekend when more people are around and check if your community requires a permit for yard or garage sales. Then, get the word out. Use neighborhood boards, local Facebook groups, or apps like Nextdoor to advertise your sale. A few well-placed signs around your area can also help bring in more visitors. When pricing your items, keep things affordable and realistic. Remember, your goal is to clear out items, not to make a fortune. Group small items together and clearly label everything to make shopping easy for buyers. On the day of the sale, make it welcoming and organized. Display items neatly, play some music, and have plenty of small change available. Be friendly and open to negotiation. People love a good deal. After the sale, donate anything that's left to local charities or thrift stores. You'll feel great knowing your unwanted items are helping others and that you have less to move. Hosting a garage sale before your move not only saves time and effort, but also gives you a fresh start in your new home with fewer boxes to unpack. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit movers.com or email us at contactusmovers.com. You can also call 866-343-1243 to connect with trusted movers